Okay guys, take a look at this. If I tell you this is cabbage and carrots, will you believe? I'm going to share with you guys how I made this fufu with just cabbage and carrot. So watch to the end and also help me to share. So I'm going to make use of carrot and cabbage. So I made carrot juice earlier on and I decided to use it for fufu. And then next I'm just going to chop my cabbage into smaller size, just the way my blender can carry it. So on this my weight loss journey, I said I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I eat and how I do my exercise. Okay, so I added the carrot in the blender and then I'm going to go in with the chopped cabbage on it, and then I'm going to add water on it, and then I'll blend it very smooth. Honestly, I can't do dieting. Like, I love to swallow fufu. I can't imagine myself eating vegetable all my life. So like I said, I'm doing intermittent fasting and then I'm still eating my local food just the way I want it. So once I'm done blending it like this, I'm going to use my sieve to sieve it out. So I'm just going to squeeze the water out of it and then I'm going to transfer it in my pot and begin the process. Now tell me, do you love to swallow? Are you going to try this? Trust me, you will love it. Do well to tell me where you're watching this video from so that on my next video, I'm going to give you a shout out. Today's special hug goes to Uloma, watching me from Nigeria in Aba. Thank you so much, Uloma, for watching my videos. I really appreciate. So guys, next I transfer it into my pot and then I'm going to stir it for about 2 minutes. And then I noticed it was really dry. I added the water, I squeezed out of it a little bit, and then I give it a stir for about 3 minutes. And then I added more water on it because I felt like it's still dry. I added another water on it, just bit by bit, not too much. Give it a stir for another 2 minutes. Next, I'm going to go in with a little bit of oat on it. If you have psyllium, feel free to use psyllium, but I decided to use oat on this recipe just for the sake of those that want to try this but they don't have psyllium. So as you can see, it started to form fufu already. I added another little quantity of oats, and at this point, I think it is okay for me. Guys, take a look at this. If it looks like gari, like our local palm oil eba, like it came out perfectly well. Honestly, this is really healthy. Like if you're trying to lose weight or you just want to eat healthy, why not try this fufu? You are going to love it. Take a look at it. Does it look like something you would love to try? When I cut it on my hands, it feels like gari and it's very soft. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you love it. See you on my next one. Bye.